This is our newest prototype, and this is going to be for STEM or for anything else. This one has GPS on it. It's a 310. It weighs about 470 grams. And you can see it's flying really low. Great for training. Super easy to build. Fixable. If you have crashes, it's very easy to fix it. This is running on a 2200 battery, but you can go all the way up to 5200, and it's running on 3 cells. So you can get some pretty good flight times out of this. And this is coming really, really soon. This is about a week out, 2 weeks out from this video. So we'll have a lot more flight footage on it. Of course, we'll have our build video coming soon. Doesn't even have a name yet, but that's coming soon also. It's great. It's easy to haul around, very quick. If they want to use it for STEM to start, doing a little practice or getting their feet wet on racing. I mean, it's not a racer, but it can definitely give them some insight on it. So, coming soon. No name, but it will soon. Really quiet, which is nice. You can put a FPV camera on this, super easy. It'll carry a GoPro. Definitely capable of all that. And with this system, you can upgrade a little bit our controller, and you can do waypoints, the whole 9 yards with it. But you can see, I'm not touching it. Our wind is really low right now, but it holds it very well even if it is windy. And of course this has, and we'll get into this more later on, but this has return to home, all the good stuff. And like I said, we'll get into that a little bit more. But I just wanted to give you a quick look. It's coming soon. There you go. This is Danny with QuadLugs. See you next time.